Alright, got the Dolphin. This is on a 6S China Hobby 4000 pack. Couldn't get the battery quite as far forward as I wanted to, but we'll give it a try. Haven't flown this one very often. It's a good flying plane. Reminds me a lot of a Sportster. Had it out here one day. It was really, I think, the second or third flight. And went to give it a high-speed pass right here in front of us, and a motor came off the firewall. Bill, our VP out here, he fixed it up for me. Reasonable price on it. He did a good job fixing it, but I still don't hold it full throttle for very long, just for fear of it popping off again. But it is a great flyer. Needs a little longer battery strap in it, and it looks like I need to put a little more softness in the ailerons there, dial up the expo a little bit. I'm not sure where I got it set at, actually. I don't remember. It's been so long since I've flown it. But I do know that it's a little more sensitive than I like. And this is on low rates as well. Let's loop-de-looped it. See how she looks. Going up, cutting back, gliding down. Aileron only roll. Come back around with the aileron and rudder on this pass. Both of them. Yeah, it does a good snap roll on it. Gives a time check here. 2 minutes. Pretty loud. Let's get it in here a little closer to us. Come back the other way. This will be my windy day flyer here. Goes about 6.5, 7 pounds, I think. Got the low wing on it. Tricycle gear. Should do real good. Windy day, I'll try it next time it's windy. "30 seconds. Make one pass here in front of us. I'm fixing to land, Jim. Coming in. Coming in this gate here. Dolphin Sport 40.